Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is TEMU Tuesday. I have a few things to show you. I don't participate every week in TEMU Tuesday, but it's fun when I have something to post. I figure I might as well do it on Tuesday to stick with. Okay, Camille, go on, but I love. She's likes to be near me. Okay, let me see what I've got. I have taken things out of packages just to make it easier for us. Something that I think everybody needs. Lots of. I need these all the time. These USB ports. They have many different styles, many different brands. These plug right into the wall, which I like that. And then you can put two USB cords in here. I don't necessarily need that, but that's handy. This was $4.48 for the two, and I got them. They're a little. They have some in white. I think they have some in black as well that are less expensive. But I like the colors, because then I can, remember it's mine, or something like that. Because I use these type of things all the time, and they get gone. They get gone easily. So it's nice to know, well, those are mine because I got the colored ones. Okay, next up, I needed some needles. I don't sew very much, y'all, but I had to do a little repair on something that I have. And I have a little sewing kit that I've had for years and years and years. And, my eyesight, I'm older, so I can't see it. I used to be able to see the tiniest thing. So this is 15, I think 10 or 15 needles in here. And for this whole thing, this was 69 cents. So it has this nice stopper here to keep them from falling out. And they just have a nice eye. They have a nice eye that I hopefully will be able to put the thread through. So I thought that was well worth 69 cents for that. They have all kinds of crafting, all kinds of sewing implements and things. I also got in a different package some threaders to help with the needles as well. All kinds of things, y'all. If you are into crafting, if you sew, whatever, you can find all kinds of things there at great prices. Next up, I got this little thing. I just thought I'd get it because it was 39 cents. 39 cents. So what it is, you can put it on your key ring. It is to repair your eyeglasses. How many times I've been sitting here for a while, no noise. Then I get to filming and they're playing with some cardboard. It's probably Camille. So this unscrews here and it also unscrews here. These are just like a little screwdriver right there. So you can get your eyeglasses, or I sometimes will break a necklace and need a little help repairing it. So there's a flathead and a Phillips head style, tiny screwdriver. So great to carry on your key ring. Then you're not going to lose it. 39 cents. If you lose it, it's not that big a deal. Next, I have some stickers. I love the stickers. They have a ton of stickers, and I'm sure if you watch other channels, you see a lot of stickers, because people just love them and people craft with them. And people, I don't craft with them, but I put them on envelopes. I put them on packages for your giveaways and such like that. And they have really cute ones. They have beautiful stickers, all kinds. But the ones that are they're separate, that they're hard for me to peel. So I like these on a roll because they're easier for me to use. And I've gotten several with cats on them. And these have cats. And then like here, this cat has a donut. This one's in a donut. This one looks like it has maybe like an ice drink. And this one has on eyeglasses and a scarf. This one, I don't know, maybe it's on top of a cake. I'm not quite sure what that is, but they're cute. I thought there's 500 of these and $1.79. So easy for me to use because you just peel them right off. You don't have to worry about peeling the back off. So I really like those. And then also they have these on sale. I think these were $1.78 also, or $1.79 also. They have some Christmas items now. They have a ton of Christmas items, I think, all year. Of course, as Christmas comes closer to us, they'll have more and more things, but right now they have some things like deep Christmas discounts. And I found these 500 stickers, and they just all say, I'm just looking at them real quick, they all say Merry Christmas. So they're just pretty for Christmas cards. They all say Merry Christmas. That one has Santa on it. There's like wreaths and pretty things. They're just all pretty. And there's 500 of those. So those will come in handy for my Christmas cards that you may get in February if you're getting them from me. I'm bad about that, y'all. I'm sorry. I needed a new pill organizer for myself. The one I have is just the dates are worn off of it. This is very plain, very simple, nothing spectacular about it. It's just a plain one. So this was just $1.78. And you know, at the I might find this at the Dollar Tree. I might, but I haven't been able to. You see some different styles that come apart and do all fancy things, and those are more expensive. I just needed plain. So it goes from Sunday to Saturday, AM, and then PM. And so I have medication that I take in the morning and medication that I take at night. And so I can fill that up on, usually what I do is I fill this on Sunday and it lasts me all week. Then I remember if I take my meds or not, because I can see if I've taken them or not. And I have some socks. They have the best selection of socks. If you like socks, I like socks. I don't wear socks a lot of the year. We don't wear socks here because it's hot. But I needed some socks for when I work at the veterinary clinic and I have to wear, you know, everybody, gym shoes or tennis shoes, whatever you call them. Some of the ones I have are just getting old and worn out. So this was a package, and I like a white sock for that because they're, you know, they're just comfortable. This was $2.69 for the 5 pair, and they're all one size, and then they just have a different border. So there's black, and that is like a, I don't know, an autumn kind of color, orangey maybe, some gray, and this one looks brown, and then blue. And then they just look, they're very comfortable looking, and they're nice thin. I like a thin sock. I don't like it too thick because if I have trouble with my feet. If my feet move around in a shoe, then I end up with blisters. So I thought for $2.69 for 5 pair, I thought that was a really good deal. And I have gotten other socks from them before. I've gotten super cute socks with cats on them and things like that. They have socks with dogs. They have all kinds. I'm perspiring a little bit. It's very hot here. I apologize. And then this I got for, let me see, 98 cents. 98 cents, y'all. These are just little post earrings. They're little diamonds, and they look very elegant and expensive. I don't know if I'm going to be able to really show you well. I was trying to think if I put it between, maybe the best way to show it is like this, so you can see it's just a post, you know, with the little thing on the back, and they look like they're silver, or you know, if these are diamonds, then it would be oh my goodness sakes, y'all, what is the metal that I don't know, I'm getting old, y'all. Anyway, they're beautiful. They're it's like a diamond in the middle, and then there's encrusted diamonds around it, and they're just beautiful. I just can't show them to you very well because they're so, you know, they're small, even though they're on the big side for a post. So if you can see that, they're very beautiful. Scooch it along. Oops. Platinum, I'm trying to think of platinum, y'all. So they, you know, they made to look very elegant and expensive, but they were 98 cents. So they're just very beautiful, very, very beautiful. And then one last thing to show you, and these I've shown you before. I really like them, so I got them again. These are eye masks, and I want to say the last time I got them, they were in a pack of 5. And I don't remember how much they were, but definitely under $1 a pack. This time, I mean a mask. This time there's 10 in this package, and it was $4.49. So that is 45 cents a mask. And this is the mask. If y'all, I have done a Mask Monday. I think I did a collab with this mask. It's, I don't know how to say the name, Sador. I've had this brand before TEMU came around. I've had this brand, and it's a really nice brand. And this goes on your eyes. It's an eye mask, but then it does come down here, and it gets like your frown lines. It's super nice. It feels really good. I really like it. And if I remember, I'll try to look for that Mask Money that I did if you want to see how it looks, because I'm going to do a little giveaway here. I've got 10, so I'm going to give 3 away. I'll send, you know, when I do one sheet mask giveaways. I don't do them very often, but I did one recently. I'll definitely send you more than just this, but I'm not sure what it'll be just yet, but you'll get one of these. 3 people will. So just say if you want to be, if you'd like to win this, you have to be in the U.S. You have to be in the U.S. And a U.S. address. You can live anywhere in the world, but you have to have, I have to be able to mail this somewhere in the U.S. So you have to be 18 years or older, and I will mail this out. If it's lost, I'm not responsible for it. If you have any allergic reaction to any sheet masks, any skincare that I send you, I'm not responsible for that. There's all kinds of rules. YouTube is not responsible for this at all. I bought these myself from TEMU. All of my directions, instructions, whatever you want to call them, for the giveaway are below always in my videos. And I would love for 3 of y'all to win one of these and see if you like them. And so say gold, G-O-L-D. It's easy to spell. I was going to say butterfly, but that's a long word and everything. So say the word gold, G-O-L-D, if you'd like to win this mask and probably a couple other masks. Usually when I send out masks, I send out like 3 or 4. So, okay, if that suits you, and I think that would be fun to do. So TEMU just has a lot of things that you never knew you needed, plus things, you know, things that you need. You know, but like this little, I just put it over here. And this thing, you know, would you ever even think about this little thing for your eyeglasses to fix them? You know, it pops up in your news feed. I was so happy to see the needles. I did go looking for the needles. Lots of things pop up in your news feed, and that's great. I did go looking for the little pill box because I wanted something easy and simple. And when I was looking for cat stickers, I found the Christmas stickers. So there's just countless things. Anything you could imagine, any kind of gift you want to give. They do have expensive things. I don't buy anything expensive. I buy all lower price items. I really do. So I just have fun. You have to spend $20, I think it is, to get free shipping. So I always make sure I spend $20. And I just have a lot of fun with it. So I was going to put this earring on real quick to show you how it fits on an earlobe. It's beautiful. Very, very elegant. So thank you all for stopping by and seeing my TEMU. And I hope that you all have a great day, and count your blessings, everybody, okay? Take care. Bye-bye.